In this tutorial, we're going to set up a template so that we can quickly rename our photos in Adobe Bridge using the batch rename tool. For this tutorial, you will need to have Adobe Bridge open and running, and you'll also need to have a folder with at least one image in it. Start by opening your folder in Bridge so you can see the images. The next thing we'll want to do is make sure that we've selected the Essentials workspace. It's in the upper top of the window. Next, click on any image to select it. If we don't have an image selected, we will not be able to use the batch rename tool. Now open the batch rename tool by using the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-R or selecting it from the Tools menu. This will open up the dialog box we're going to modify and save for our template. The first thing we're going to do is remove the bottom three fields by clicking on the minuses to get rid of them. In the text field, we're going to put our last name in all capitals followed by a period. Since all of our file names will start with our last name and a period, we're going to type that in so we don't have to do it every assignment. Next, we're going to change the date and time field by clicking on the drop-down arrow and changing it to current file name. Next, we need to go to where it says name and change that to name plus extension. This step is very important. If you just leave it at name, when you hit rename, without having that plus extension, it's going to drop the extension off the end of the file name, and Adobe programs and your computer will not be able to read it. So make sure it says current file name, name plus extension, and you can leave the original case. The next thing we want to do is go up to the Save option and name this whatever you want. You can type in JMC 334 so that you know it's for this class. You can call it batch rename, whatever you want to call, just so that it's not default. Click OK, and then you're done.